5 is ideal, but I often get 4. Too many days of 4 will run anybody down. Sleep experts will tell you 6 to 8 hours. I go late into the night, and then I get up pretty early based on my schedule. So what will fulfill you in sleep is I do use a device called a NuCalm device. You listen to this music that puts you in an alpha and a theta state. So it's like right on the edge of sleep. And I find it incredibly restorative, and I use it as a meditation device, and I do it for 27 minutes, and it feels like 2 hours sleep.
You just heard from Tony Robbins. He explained why he loves NuCalm and has been using it for years to help him reset his nervous system, restore his energy, and dramatically improve his sleep. I've been using NuCalm for 2 weeks now. A good friend of mine called me up and told me I had to try it. He said, Mike, you have nothing to lose. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't absolutely love it. And I am so glad I said yes, because it flat out works. I have slept amazing over the last 2 weeks, and I also use it to reduce stress and anxiety. Well, it has boosted my mental clarity, focus, and creativity. They have 8 different programs to target whatever outcome you desire for your brain. Now, Tony Robbins isn't the only famous promoter using NuCalm. I also want you guys to hear from Mark Victor Hansen, the author of Chicken Soup for the Soul.
People ask me all the time, why would you, at this stage of life where you've been omni-successful, want to work with Social X and NuCalm? Well, the guy who started NuCalm has been a friend for a decade. His name is Jim Poole. He's now a neuroscientist, but he used to be a Wall Street superstar and doing giant projects in business and fundraising and mergers and acquisitions, but he was always hypertensive and couldn't sleep. Looked around, found this inventor who had invented a way to control your mind using vibration with a little app that you put in your phone.
Now, the science, data, and testimonials of NuCalm working are undeniable, but I want to make sure you hear from the CEO, Jim Poole, to fully understand the magnitude of research, money, and time that have gone in to develop NuCalm and separate it from anything else on the market.
NuCalm has taken 33 years and $42 million of patented clinically proven neuroscience that used to be a 4-component complex $6,000 device into a mobile app. And on that app, there are 6 channels. So you as a consumer get to choose. How do I want to feel right now at this moment? And how do I want to activate this and get to a state without drugs or side effects? So deep sleep is used at night. It's used through a speaker. It is not binaural signal processing. It's called isochronic waveform. So through a speaker at night, you put on deep sleep, and within minutes, it simply cycles your brainwave down to 0.5 hertz and puts you to sleep. It's an 8-hour track, and along that journey of sleep, you're filling in gaps in your sleep architecture, and your sleep efficiency is improving. Then we have rescue, power nap, and flow state. These are the core clinical therapeutic values of NuCalm. Rescue has been used in over 2 million surgical procedures, replacing general anesthesia with people being operated on, listening to our physics. This is the key, this is the patents and all the stuff we've done across the years with cancer and multiple sclerosis and addiction and trauma and surgical procedures. Rescue is the key cornerstone neuroacoustic software of NuCalm. Rescue is the key for any athlete. Rescue is something you do after performance for recovery. Reset my mind, reset my body, lower my stress response, raise my rest response. When I raise my rest response, I can be more patient, more present, more clear-headed, more focused, more energized, more calm. I'm not sabotaged by anxiety and fear and other people's concerns and worries. So rescue, power nap, and flow state are the recovery elements. Then we have focus. Focus was just released in July of 2022. It took us 7 years to create this. Focus oscillates your brain between 15 and 20 hertz. There's a specific frequency that correlates to high levels of clarity, concentration, and comprehension, and that's 18.4 hertz. The human brain can only stay in a thinking process like this clear focus for 15 to 20 minutes. Called the Pomodoro technique. So for about 15 to 20 minutes, we can be focused. Then you'll notice your mind starts to distract and we reach diminished returns. Well, not with physics, you don't. So we have a 47-minute full focus track. You put headphones on and you are laser focused on what you're trying to accomplish. Then we have Ignite. Ignite is hugely beneficial to the professional athlete. For 6 years, We use this in confidence with 56 professional sports teams and across the Department of Defense, literally putting this into the hands or into the heads of Special Forces, Air Force Special Operations Command, Navy SEALs, etc. Ignite oscillates your brain starting at 15 hertz in a 14-minute neuroacoustic software journey all the way up to 40 hertz where you're fully activated and ready to prepare for any performance, and you will have an unstoppable feeling of absolute certainty. Let me repeat that. An unstoppable feeling of absolute certainty. You will achieve anything you set your mind to because there is no distraction and you are fully activated, so you have full access to all of your muscle memory and all of your training.
So here is the next step. I have put this link down below this video. It will take you to this exact page. If you want to watch, more of the videos, you can come here and kind of go into each one, how it works. If you want to see more of the science and people testimonials promoting this, it's absolutely amazing. Now, here's the amazing part again, is you have nothing to lose, right? It is a 30-day money back guarantee. Click a link and your money is refunded. Guys, I'm addicted to this. I don't think I ever see myself stop using it. Now, here's the amazing part. We actually have a way to make money by simply sharing this with people and helping them improve their lives. Now, if you just go to the App Store and download NuCalm, it's around $49. So not only is it cheaper through us, it also gives you a 30-day money back guarantee. If you just get it from the App Store, they allow you to use it for 7 days before they charge you and you don't get a refund. Here, 30-day money back guarantee, just $42.49 a month. And the thing I really love about it is if you do want to share this with people, there is no extra cost. There is no join fee. There is no monthly fee of having a business. You just click a box, say, I want to become an affiliate and share this with people and make extra money. And if you guys want to get into it, if you're builders, the compensation plan is absolutely amazing. But the number one thing I want to stress is that you guys need to try this because I almost guarantee your life will be better. You're going to be sleeping better, less stress and anxiety, more energy and focus. Now, when you guys are ready to take action, and I don't know who wouldn't, right? Who doesn't want to sleep better at night? Who doesn't want to live a better life? You're simply going to click on my link below this video, come and choose the monthly plan. You're going to select your country. And again, guys, this is global. Okay. So that's what I love about this too, from a marketing standpoint, is there's no products to ship. It is absolutely global. You're going to select your country, put in some basic information. Now, this is the key. You're going to create your account info right now. So this username and your password, you're going to create. Once you submit this info, you'll put in your card information. Then you'll go to your app store on your phone, Google or Apple, download the NuCalm app, use this username and password to log into the app, and you're good to go. If you guys need any help understanding, how to use the programs, when to use them, all that type of stuff, I've been on Zooms with Jim, and I know exactly how to use it to get the maximum benefit. So if you guys have any questions, reach out. We're doing lots of Zooms and helping people get in the app and learn how to use it the best way to improve their lives. So I look forward to helping you guys live a better life with NuCalm. We'll see you guys in the next video.